Honestly, I usually look forward to weekend resets, but I feel like shit, so I'm kind of dreading it this morning. But I say weekend reset because usually it's Sunday reset, but tomorrow it's gonna be raining violently all day, so I feel like I have to go grocery shopping today, so I don't have to take the bus and carry my groceries in the pouring rain tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll do like my laundry and cleaning and everything. Today, obviously, my main goal is to go grocery shopping. I give myself a budget of $100 a month, which has been working out for me. I usually go like a little bit over, like $8 to $15 over. And I used to buy only frozen Trader Joe's food, but then I was just eating frozen food like literally every second of my life, and it kind of made me feel gross. My New Year's resolution, one of them was to learn how to cook, and I was like, if I'm buying frozen food all the time, I'm never gonna learn how to cook. So one time I went to the grocery store and I only bought like rice and chicken and like things that I had to cook or I would starve. So that was a good incentive for me to learn. Like, Paloma, cook or starve, you choose. I fixed the angle. I think that's better. I do want to learn how to, like, maybe when I go back home for spring break, I want to at least try to learn like one thing that my grandma makes, because like not having home cooked Mexican food is so sad. And like I know it's gonna taste nothing like what she makes, but like it's something, right? I want to learn how to make the Mexican rice she makes, because me having like bland white rice with soy sauce every day is not cutting it for me anymore. I feel like anytime I do something, I need time to like mentally prepare. I did not mentally prepare for this. Like, I think I thought that I liked the cold and the rain because of like the vibe. And honestly, I think I only like that during Halloween because it fits like the season. And then I guess I'm okay with it being cold during like Christmas because it also fits the season. But like once it's like cold and rainy, January, February, March, I'm over it. I'm like, okay, you know, I want to see some sun because I like going on like walks. I like going out to lay in the sun and read. And like when it's raining, I literally don't leave my room because like where am I gonna go? What is there to do when it's raining? And like I could go to like a coffee shop and be adventurous, but am I gonna do that? No. I really am overtaking the bus. At first I kind of liked it because I'm from LA and public transportation sucks and is essentially like not a thing. So I was excited to be like, oh my god, taking the bus, the fuck, never done that, you know. But now I'm over it. Like, okay, I did my time on the bus, but now it takes 30 minutes to get somewhere, and then I'm waiting in the cold for the bus to come, and honestly it's not a fun time. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, but I'll show you guys my outfit before I leave, and then I'm gonna head downtown. I just carried that from Trader Joe's to CVS, waited there for my prescription, got it. Then from CVS to the bus stop, which was hell, and then the bus stop to my apartment. Remember how I told you guys that my budget was $100 and I was like, yeah, like I max go over like $115, like $108. The most I've gone over ever. I $150. So like I don't really know what happened. Anyways, so I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery haul. I got a bunch of these little yogurts, eggs, corn, lemonade. I got these fat strawberries. They look super good. Bread, broccoli, cinnamon raisin bagels, and I fucked up because I forgot to buy cream cheese. So, oh yeah, I also got these mini potatoes because for a side of veggies I usually do corn or broccoli, but I want to see if I can do something with potatoes. Parmesan cheese, chili flakes, soy sauce, beans, ham, milk, rice, apples, frozen shrimp, dumplings, cookies. I haven't had these, but they look good and I'm excited to try them. So we'll see. Chicken, salmon, coffee ice cream, which I need to put away right now. Butter, chicken nuggets, more dumplings, more salmon, bananas and avocado, and lemons. Yeah, now that I like see it all out, I did buy a lot of shit. Now I'm gonna put it on the fridge. This is not all gonna fit in this fridge. I have a mini fridge in my room. Put the rest of my mini fridge. Clean out my cabinets. Throw away like shit I don't need. Clean the kitchen. Selena went live and she said, I'm 30, I'm too old for this shit. And that's why everyone's like calling them like high school mean girls.
Yeah, it's a bit whack, TBH.
Yeah, so now she's the most followed girl on Instagram.
Go follow Selena?
I only follow Kim, but I love Kim and I will continue to love Kim. So
But like, they're like the same person.
that's not gonna change. Kylie and Kim are not the same person. The floor is so gross. I'm literally scrubbing it so hard it's not coming off. After like an hour and a half of cleaning the kitchen, I'm done. I scrubbed my microwave, I cleaned my toaster, my air fryer. I scrubbed all the countertops and the stove and whatever, that's all clean. I think I'm done cleaning for today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow because tomorrow's laundry day and cleaning my room day. It's Sunday and my throat hurts more than it did yesterday. Anytime there's like big weather changes, I feel like I get sick. It was like sunny and like pretty chill here. And then now it's like freezing cold and like thunderstorms and raining. I just put in both loads of laundry downstairs. Right now I have dishes that have been in my room for a gross amount of time. So I'm gonna wash those. And then I need to clean my room because my room is really messy. I'm gonna water my plants and, you know, organize all my stuff. I would chat with you guys while I do some laundry, while I fold it. It's 1:48, it's been pretty productive. I washed all my dishes, my desk area is clean, my laundry's done. What else I have to do? Oh, I have all this like stuff from the kitchen that I had in my drawer, like snacks and stuff that I could easily just put under my bed. Because my cabinets are really crowded downstairs and I just want to make a little bit of room. So I'm gonna clean underneath my bed and find space for everything, just organize. I have to vacuum, gonna hang my clothes, fix up my closet, and reorganize. I have like a little like the IKEA shelf with like all my hygiene products and stuff. I also want to do my March calendar, and I saw this other YouTuber who's like I watch all the time. Her name is McKenna. She said that like she has a calendar and like whenever something exciting is going on, like she has like a little thing on the side that says like things to look forward to. Which is nice because being here without my mom and like without my friends and like my boyfriend is really hard, especially when it's like this, like when it's like gloomy and I don't go out and like I'm just like sitting in my room and like it's raining and like I don't know. It's nice to have alone time, but like a lot of alone time feels isolating sometimes. So I really appreciate like when he makes time to come up, but I'm really just looking forward to spring break. I'm gonna be in LA for 10 days. So I'm excited to like eat my favorite foods. Like I've been craving In-N-Out and Chick-fil-A so much. Hang out with like my mom and stuff, and yeah, I don't know. I just miss everyone. I miss my grandparents so much. Honestly, Sunday's probably the day of the week that I look forward to the most because I don't know, there's something about like my room being clean and having like clean sheets and like my floor being vacuumed and everything just like being spotless that brings me like so much comfort. Like I take my Sunday resets super seriously. Like I was listening to a podcast while washing my dishes, like a self-help one, and I was like, this is what Sundays are about. It's about like feeling like back on track for the week, because like some Saturdays are usually like super lazy, and like I feel like really like unproductive and bored. Things that I've been dreading doing all week, I do on Sundays. So yeah, Sundays are my day to get shit done. I finished cleaning my room. It is literally spotless. I feel so much better. I took a shower and I'm doing some homework right now. I'm eating these Trader Joe's cookies, which I am addicted to. I'm gonna watch Wizards of Waverly Place. I'm deciding that I'm gonna rewatch that because I watched the first episode of the Wizards of Waverly pod, and now I'm gonna watch an episode, watch the pod, watch an episode, watch the pod. But I had a lot of fun today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it. Thank you to everyone that leaves me a comment and who texts me saying that they watched my video. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.